Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lolila. Another drawing episode, and today I am going to follow Rapid Fire Arts tutorial on how to draw and shade lips in pencil. But instead of pencils, I'm going to use these graphite sticks that I bought from W.H. Smith. This graphite sticks ranges from HB to 9B, and it's 100% pure graphite, and here they are. So I've got here HB, 2B, 8B, 4B, 6B, and 9B. So it says here that pure graphite sticks can do anything that a sketching pencil can do, but it will also give wide strokes when used at an angle. The sticks can be sharpened with a pencil sharpener, and graphite dust can be rubbed onto paper to create different effects. Graphite sticks are coated with protective layer to keep hands clean. And I also got here my kneadable eraser. And I will use this cotton pads for blending as well as this tissue paper. Paper towel. And I will use this A5 sketch pad that I bought from The Works. It has 72 sheets. It's very nice and it's very cheap. So I'm going to use this. It's my first time to try to use this graphite sticks. So I will only use two pencils. HB pencil for the construction lines and lighter shades, and for the darker shades I will be using the 4B since I don't have 5B. So I will start now. This is not a video tutorial, so I will not be able to show you the step-by-step on how I draw the lips. But if you want to follow, I will be posting the link of Rapid Fire Arts video tutorial on the description box below so that you will be able to follow it. Definitely I will make another video, a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw the lips because I'm quite happy of the outcome.